Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to win over a cat dad. First, acknowledge that his cat is not just a pet, but a cherished family member. This deep connection is central to his identity and happiness. Showing genuine respect for this bond is your initial step. Understand that his love for his cat is a profound and enduring affection, a cornerstone of his daily life and emotional world. This foundation will guide your approach. To truly connect, show interest in his cat. Offer to play with the feline using a feather wand or laser pointer for 10 to 15 minutes. Ask about the cat's favorite crunchy treats or preferred wet food. A gentle scratch behind the ears or under the chin can go a long way. Remember, a happy cat often means a happy cat dad, and your positive interaction will be noticed and appreciated. Demonstrate genuine interest by actively listening when he shares anecdotes about his furry companion. Ask open-ended questions, such as what's the funniest thing your cat has ever done, or how did you two meet? Compliment his cat's sleek fur, bright eyes, or impressive jumping skills. Showing you value his stories and observations about his beloved pet will make him feel understood and appreciated. Finally, build a lasting connection by respecting the cat's boundaries. Some felines prefer a gentle approach. Share your own positive experiences with animals, showing empathy and a caring nature. While his cat is a great starting point, remember to also discover shared interests beyond his feline friend. This holistic approach, combining respect for his passion and finding common ground, will truly win him over in the long run.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.